Efficient frontier of risky assets. I mentioned this previously. Um, Efficient frontier for risky assets is simply the investment opportunity set for the entire market. So, so it's a graph representing a set of portfolio that maximize expected return at each level of portfolio risk. It looks very much like an investment opportunity set, but we're dealing with many, many more investment opportunities than in our example with two portfolios. So we have three methods to calculate it. We can maximize the risk premium for any level of standard deviation, minimize the standard deviation for any level of risk premium. We can also maximize the Sharpe ratio for any standard deviation or risk premium. So this chart just shows this is a portfolio constructed of three stocks. Here we created this investment opportunity sets for each stock. Then we combine those together and we show all individual assets, and we create an efficient frontier. Just like before, we have our minimum variance portfolio and our optimal risky portfolio will be the point at which the point at which the capital allocation line is tangent to this curve will be the optimal risky portfolio. So choosing the optimal portfolio, again, the tangent point, the capital allocation line is tangent to the efficient frontier. So the separation property implies portfolio choice is separated into two tasks: determination of the optimal risky portfolio, then personal choice of the best mix of risky portfolio and risk-free asset. So optimal risky portfolio illustration, efficiently diversified global portfolio using stock market indices of 6 countries, standard deviation and correlation estimated from historical data, and risk premium forecasts generated from fundamental analysis. So here we have our risk premium on the y-axis, standard deviation on the x-axis. So since we're graphing against the risk premium, the intercept is 0 here, but we've got our efficient frontier. This would the blue square would be our minimum variance portfolio. The whatever blue diamond, I guess, or gray blue diamond here is the optimal risky portfolio. And anything beyond that on the capital allocation line would reflect short sales. So we've got our capital allocation line. We've got Japan, UK, US, France, Germany, China, and all those create it together, go together to create this efficient frontier.